Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Eat your food.
Eat your food.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Close the window.
Close the window.
Make a bed.
Make a bed.
Read a book.
Read a book.
Play outside.
Play outside.
Catch the ball.
Catch the ball.
Jump high.
Jump high.
Smile big.
Smile big.
Tie your shoes.
Tie your shoes.
Wear a hat.
Wear a hat.
Hug your friend.
Hug your friend.
Share your toys.
Share your toys.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
Sing a song.
Sing a song.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Swim fast.
Swim fast.
Plant a seed.
Plant a seed.
Watch a movie.
Watch a movie.
Dance around.
Dance around.
Write your name.
Write your name.
Find a bug.
Find a bug.
Bake a cake.
Bake a cake.
Build a tower.
Build a tower.
Pet the dog.
Pet the dog.
Feed the cat.
Feed the cat.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss.
Fly a kite.
Fly a kite.
Paint a rock.
Paint a rock.
Count the stars.
Count the stars.
Tell a joke.
Tell a joke.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Skip a rope.
Skip a rope.
Jump in puddles.
Jump in puddles.
Wear your coat.
Wear your coat.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Say sorry.
Say sorry.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Pick flowers.
Pick flowers.
Help a friend.
Help a friend.
Run fast.
Run fast.
Stay quiet.
Stay quiet.
Listen well.
Listen well.
Follow directions.
Follow directions.
Play fair.
Play fair.
Solve the puzzle.
Solve the puzzle.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.